Hello everyone, welcome to the grand unveiling of ReaKS version 1.0. This version marks a big leap forward with numerous workflow enhancements. Let's dive right in by setting up our project. At the heart of ReaKS is Reaper's Note Names feature. This lets you personalize your MIDI note keys in the piano roll, marking them with easily recognizable names. Here's how it works in Reaper. Simply double right click with your mouse on any key and voila! An input field appears where you can type in any name you fancy. Now, if ReaKS is running alongside, hitting the refresh button will update your key switches to clickable buttons within its interface. So let's clear the note names for an alternative workflow. ReaKS can utilize Reaper's native note name files. I've got some of them ready to go here. And you can find more of these files waiting for you on both ReaKS forum thread and on ReaStash. Let's load one up and see what happens. As you see, all our key switches light up both in the ReaKS window and as note names within the piano roll. Cool! There is one less shortcut to add names into notes. Inject view on the ReaKS allows you to paste lines of text, ideally prepped on a notepad or similar, directly into piano roll. It's a quick and efficient way to populate your project with necessary data. And there you have it. Your track is ready for action. See you on the next tutorial.